Marie Curie, a name that resonates with brilliance and determination, was a pioneering scientist who forever changed the field of physics and chemistry. Born in Warsaw, Poland in 1867, she overcame numerous obstacles to pursue her passion for science. Together with her husband, Pierre Curie, Marie discovered the radioactive elements polonium and radium. Their groundbreaking work laid the foundation for understanding radioactivity, a term Marie herself coined. Her achievements were not without recognition. Marie Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. But Marie's dedication went beyond the laboratory. During World War I, she developed mobile radiography units, known as Little Curies, to provide X-ray services to field hospitals, saving countless lives. Tragically, her relentless work with radioactive materials led to health complications, and she passed away from complications related to radiation exposure. Marie Curie's legacy is not merely a tale of scientific triumph. It's a story of resilience, innovation, and selfless devotion to humanity. Her life and work continue to inspire generations of scientists, reminding us that curiosity, courage, and compassion can lead to extraordinary discoveries that benefit all of mankind.